Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi. I'm Prerna Khandelwal, born and raised in India. I am a native Hindi speaker and I've made these videos so you can begin to learn Hindi an easy way. Today we are gonna learn about
Family introductions in Hindi and English.
परिवार से परिचय हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में.
She is my grandma. She is my grandma.
ये मेरी नानी जी है. ये मेरी नानी जी है.
She is my mom. She is my mom.
ये मेरी मम्मी है. ये मेरी मम्मी है.
In India, or in the Hindi language, you treat your mother-in-law as you would treat your mom. You don't introduce your mother-in-law by name. You call them ma or mummy. This applies to father-in-laws as well. Putting a G after any relation name is completely optional. For example, you could say mummy G or mummy. Either way is fine. They are my uncle and aunt. They are my uncle and aunt.
ये मेरे चाचा और चाची हैं. ये मेरे चाचा और चाची हैं.
That's my husband. That's my husband.
वो मेरे पति हैं. वो मेरे पति हैं.
She is my sister-in-law. She is my sister-in-law.
ये मेरी ननद है. सौम्या दी. ये मेरी ननद है. सौम्या दी.
In order to show respect and be polite towards our in-laws, we add a suffix after the name of brother or sister-in-law. For sister-in-law, add didi or di, and for brother-in-law, add bhaiya. He is my brother-in-law. He is my brother-in-law.
ये मेरे देवर हैं. गोविंद भैया. ये मेरे देवर हैं. गोविंद भैया.
This is my grandma. This is my grandma.
ये मेरी दादी जी हैं. ये मेरी दादी जी हैं.
They are my aunt and uncle. They are my aunt and uncle.
ये मेरे ताई जी ताऊ जी हैं. ये मेरे ताई जी ताऊ जी हैं.
This is my mom. This is my mom.
ये मेरी मम्मी है. ये मेरी मम्मी है.
This is my dad. This is my dad.
ये मेरे पापा है. ये मेरे पापा है.
She is my oldest sister, Seema. She is my oldest sister, Seema.
ये मेरी सबसे बड़ी बहन है. सीमा जीजी. ये मेरी सबसे बड़ी बहन है. सीमा जीजी.
As a rule of thumb, you should always address your older siblings and elders with an honorable suffix. Calling them just by their names is very disrespectful and rude. For sisters, add Didi, Di, or Gigi. For brothers, add Baya. For sister's husband, add Jiju or Jijaji. She is my older sister, Sunita, and her husband, Gaurav. She is my older sister, Sunita, and her husband, Gaurav.
ये मेरी बड़ी बहन सुनीता दी और उनके पति गौरव जीजू. ये मेरी बड़ी बहन सुनीता दी और उनके पति गौरव जीजू.
This is my youngest sister. This is my youngest sister.
ये मेरी सबसे छोटी बहन है. ये मेरी सबसे छोटी बहन है.
Both of them are my brothers. Both of them are my brothers.
ये दोनों मेरे भाई हैं. ये दोनों मेरे भाई हैं.
These are my sisters-in-law. These are my sisters-in-law.
ये मेरी भाभियां हैं. ये मेरी भाभियां हैं.
They are my cousins. They are my cousins.
ये मेरे कजन्स हैं और ये मेरे चाचा के बेटे हैं.
There is no direct word for cousin in Hindi. Rather, phrases like uncles or aunts, son or daughter are used to regard a cousin when there is a need to be specific. If not, then simply they are regarded as brother or sister. Bhai or behen. She is my niece. She is my niece.
ये मेरी भांजी है. ये मेरी भांजी है.
He is my nephew. He is my nephew.
ये मेरा भांजा है. ये मेरा भांजा है.
And that's all the practice for this video. Great job! If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the Names of Relations in Hindi and English video, where you can learn relations such as these in more detail.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Namaste.